Do you want to know how to get animated wallpapers for free? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and use Lively Wallpapers as well as how to customize it. Now, let's get into the video. First thing that you need to do is to head on over to the website of the Lively Wallpaper, which I will be linking down in the description below. Click download and you'll be led to two options on how you want to download Lively Wallpaper. One is from their installer, or two, you can get it from the Microsoft Store. One easy way to download it in your computer, to head on over to the Start menu, click Microsoft Store, and look up Lively Wallpaper. And you can download Lively Wallpaper from here. Once you've installed Lively Wallpaper, you'll be taken to this interface where you can choose from a handful of pre-made wallpapers. In this tab, you can also add your own media to make as your own wallpaper. Simply click on Browse and choose your file. You can also enter a YouTube URL link so that you can play any YouTube video as your wallpaper. Lively Wallpaper is also customizable, so you can suit it to your every need. You can make it start with Windows, the language, the title size, the user interface, and the wallpaper directory. If you're worried about Lively Wallpaper eating up your GPU or memory, don't worry. In the Performance tab, you are able to optimize your settings so that you can get your maximum performance. You can also choose how to interact with your wallpaper, how it fits, and the quality of your wallpaper. In the Audio tab, you can adjust the audio gain of the wallpaper. In the System tab, you have the desktop picture, taskbar theme, and screensaver options. And in the Miscellaneous tab, you have the system tray icon and the developer menu. And that's how you get an animated wallpaper for free. Thumbs up if you liked this video, and if you found it helpful, please leave a subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.